Well, howdy there pluckers, I have a sore finger again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another guitar lesson. This one is in response to a request I've had for a lesson on a Bruce Springsteen number called The River. Standard tuning, no capos as you can see, and I'm doing it in the same key that Bruce Springsteen originally recorded the number in. Okay, so without more ado, I'm going to go through the intro, the first verse and the first chorus, and then I'll break it down for you and show how I played it, and you will have everything you need to play the number. Okay, so here we go. I come down from the valley where Mr. They bring you up to the roof like your daddy done. Me and Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. We ride out of this valley down to where the hills were green. We go down to the river and into the river we dive. Oh, down to the river we ride. And Mary, she does bring. So on to the next verse, okay? Sorry about the singing as usual. Okay, so let's break it down for you. Right, the introduction basically starts on E minor, and basically you need to emphasise the open 6th string, so it's like that sort of thing. And then there's a quick F sharp 2nd fret 6th string into a G note, so, and then strum on G or pick on G. Okay, so it's, and then if you can hit the open 2nd string and go in before you go into the D chord, so it's, and then hit the open after you've open 3rd string, and then hammer into that C chord, the 2nd finger on the 4th fret. When you've hammered into the C, run down to the A minor, so it's hammer, 2nd finger 5th string, pick a bit down to, and then A minor, open 5th string, arpeggiate it. Okay, so far I've got this. Okay, and into a G, to C. Okay, so just go through that again very, very slowly, okay? Okay, so that's my intro, okay? Then we go into the verse, and it goes, I come, E minor, I come from down in the valley, just like the intro. So, okay, just like the intro, that bit. Okay, so I come from down in the valley where the when you're young. Okay, so that Mr is D. Mr when you are young is basically C, but with an added 9th. So basically I'm playing 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, the 2nd finger is on the 3rd fret of the 5th, and my 3rd finger is playing the 3rd on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and you're playing from 5 down to 1, okay? C added 9th. Okay? So from the beginning, oh, I come from down the valley where Mr. when you're young. Got that? Once again, I come from down in the valley where mister, when you're young. Okay, back to the E minor. They bring you up to do. Okay, got that? To do. Back to the G. It's just like the intro again. They bring you up to do like your, and then you go into C. Okay, like your daddy. G done. Okay, so from the beginning, I come from down in the valley where mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Did you get that? I hope you did. So I'll go through that once again. E minor from the beginning. I come from down, lead up to G in the valley where D, mister, when you're C added ninth. E minor, they bring you up, lead up to G to do C, like your daddy. G done. Okay, me and E minor, sorry, no, what am I saying? Done. Me and Mary, G, Mary, we met in high school. Is that right? That's right, yeah. Me and Mary in high school. No, sorry, I'm mixing myself up there. So as we do that, like your daddy done. Me and C, sorry, Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. Okay, so let's go from that. They bring, G, E minor, they bring you up to do C, like your daddy. G done. Me and C, Mary, we met in high school when she was just G, 17. That's a rundown from G, F sharp in the bass to E minor. Okay, keeping that finger there on the G or that root. There and then E minor. Okay, so from the beginning, I come from down the valley where mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Me and Mary, we met in high school when she was just 17. Okay, got that bit? And then we go into A minor. We ride out of this valley, we ride out of this valley down to G, where fields were C, green. Okay, so last bit is we A minor, ride out of this valley down to G, where the fields were C, green. So let's go through the whole verse now. We've got it in one piece. I'll do it really slowly. I come from down the valley where D is C9 at the 9th, E minor. They bring you up, lead up to G to C, like your daddy. G done. Me and C, Mary, we met in high school where she G, run down to E minor. A minor, we ride out of this valley down to G, where the fields were green. Then comes the chorus, okay, into E minor. We go down to the C river, D, and into the river we G. Then we run down again to E minor. That's 2nd fret, 6th string. Okay, so from the beginning we go, so E minor, we go down to the C river, and D, into the river we G. run down to E minor, down to the C river, we D right, C added ninth, and then we go into the next verse. Okay, then I got really pregnant, da, 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 da. That's exactly the same. Okay, same verse all over again. Okay, with different words. So there you have it. So let's go through the whole thing just once the way through, relatively slowly, and I'll try and call out as much as I can. Okay, so introduction, E minor, build up to the G. Okay, so it's D, hammer. Okay, so let's do that again. I missed out the B note, sorry. So it's E minor, build up to G, quick B open if you can, second string if you can get it in there, before the D, just before the D, and then open third string before the C, hammer into the C, and then run down to A minor, G, C. Then the verse comes in. Okay, so here we go from the intro all the way through. Here we go. I come from down the valley where when you're young they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Me and Mary, we met in high school. She was just 17. We ride out of this valley down to where the fields were green. Chorus, we go down to the river, and into the river we dive. Down to the river we ride. Then I got really pregnant, and man, exactly the same chords as the first verse. Okay, so there you have it. Hope you can make some sense out of that. Sorry about the singing as usual, but hope that helps you to play that song, and I'll see you in the next video.